Who's there?
Me.
Feeling lonely?
That's right.
You mustn't do silly things, even if you're lonely.
In the spring, he sent me a postcard.
You should study hard, Lisa. Come to the city in the summer. I'll get you into the technical college and the student hostel.
That was in May of last year that he wrote that postcard.
Have faith, Lisa. Don't give up hoping.
We shall sing together later, Lisaveta. Later, when we've accomplished our mission. Then we'll sing.